Hi, good afternoon. I am Chef David Thompson at the West Bay Golf Club. I am here today to talk to you a little bit about a new menu item that I'd like to showcase. It is a sous vide style lobster. We are going to be serving this on the new menu, and it's kind of a unique process in that we prepare the lobsters, we shell the lobsters, and then we prepare them sous vide style in butter with fresh thyme. When we go to cook this, it's going into our immersion cooker, and we have it set so that the lobster is not going to become overcooked, only warmed through. And this particular dish is going to be served with a Parmesan risotto and rainbow carrots. It will also be finished with a Vermonte butter sauce over the lobster.